I'm videotaping.
Hey, guess
what?
This can't be on film.
Why?
Dude,
Perfect thing on film.
not going on film.
Ashley!
What?
Here. I've been sleeping in my brother's room. There was an empty box of condoms.
You want to get freaky? He's 26. I think he's allowed to.
Me and him get freaky all the time.
Are you uploading this?
Yeah.
Cool. Tag me. Oh, alright.
Alright.
Oh, no. No, we're not going in this aisle. Are you sure?
Dave walks away.
Yes, we are. I don't want to be in this aisle. Take me out of the aisle.
Ashley!
What?
They're right here.
I purposely.
Is it for a drink?
Huh?
Is it for the same church? You gonna be there Sunday?
No.
Where'd David go? Where'd David go?
Weird old guy looked at us.
There he is.
He was from my church.
Oh, you in a condom aisle? You're calling the condom aisle from a dude like this to a church. Hey, what's up? Hey! That's what happens in Target. Let's keep going. Let's walk this way. This way.
Oh, just a little.
Hey, I want to be elbow banded.
You guys are...
Film this.
You guys are just retarded. You have any comment? No comment? Nothing?
Come here. Come here. This is what Ashley had, the 273, so we can buy all of them. Ashley, how much money you have on you? Oh my goodness. And Ash. David, do you know these people? Did you witness that? David, I know you, but do you know these people?
He admits that he knows us.
Yeah.
David, you want to wake up a little bit?
Do you want to wake up a little bit? I want to wake up a little bit.
A bunch of awkwardness happened in like 30 seconds.
What?
I said a bunch of weirdness just happened in 30 seconds.
It's all good.
What? I like read your text message.
That's my dad.
Is that still filming?
Yeah.
I want to watch it after. Let's go. Come on. Film
I
me
don't.
Ashley walking.
Yeah, you do.
Camille, would you like a battery charger? Like a penis.
Would you like one? David. David.
I would.
David. David, do you need one? Are you sure? Are you positive?
Come on, put this back. What is she doing?
Dora, you're retarded.
Alright, how about we
How about we say goodbye?
How about
Okay, bye.
we go find the bathroom?
Goodbye.